morning to 100% here. Myself, THAMARAICHSELVAN, and my project mate Mr. STALIN, and my project, another project mate Mr. Ashok Kumar, and my project internal guide is Mr. P. Mustafa, and my external guide is T. Kumar. I am doing my project in Hindustan Automation Solution. My project title is Design and Implementation of Cycloconverter for High Frequency Application. First, I will introduce what is meant by Cycloconverter. Cycloconverter is nothing but to convert the fixed frequency into variable frequency. For what purpose the cycloconverter will be used for means it can be used for high frequency applications. It will be used for an induction heating. For example, in our house we will use an induction stove, but it cannot maintain a constant frequency. In our project we will use to maintain a fixed frequency for the last purpose system. In our project cycloconverter we will use in an existing system. We can put extra system existing on the proposed system. In an existing system we does not reduce the harmonics. By a lot of the harmonics there are a lot of problems will be occurred. So we will modify it by reducing the harmonics and also maintain the constant frequencies up to 30 kHz in our project. So my another brief explanation my project mate Ashok Kumar will going to explain.
I am Ashok Kumar. Generally, cycloconverter is used to control fixed frequency to variable frequency. But in our project, from the comparison, when compared to the existing system, the proposed system is going to increase the frequency up to 30 kHz. These are the kit. In that purpose, the AC supply is given to the transformer. So the purpose of transformer is to step down the voltage to 24 volt and given to the diode rectifier. The diode rectifiers go after the diode rectifier. It removes the ripples from the diode rectifier and given to the edge bridge inverter. The purpose of edge bridge inverter is to it has advantage of lightweight and reduce the switch count. So after that it is passing to the switching device. So they are switching in that we are using a switching device as MOSFET. But why the 6 MOSFET can be used? How? Because here using a 2 diode rectifier, but in that using only 6 MOSFET. So the configuration of 6 MOSFET is 2 into n plus 2. So in that purpose we are getting only 2 output. So 2 into 2 plus 2 means 6 MOSFET can be used. So these are the 6 MOSFET and output can be get from that is the output means so one and this output can be obtained as a 40% of duty cycle, and this should be the 50% of duty cycle. So after that these are the switching circuit, and control circuit can be obtained by PIC microcontroller. After the purpose of control circuit is to control the signal from the input signal and given to the output without any distortion.
In our project, another benefit is by giving only single input, but it will obtain a 2 output. Is the another or basic quality of our project. In our project, in a kit we using a single phase cycloconverter. In that single phase cycloconverter we will give a 24 volt and it will maintain a 12 volt, but it can maintain the frequency up to 30 kHz. So in our simulation result we will show on laptop. First where is this? In that simulation result, this is the diode rectifier circuit. In the diode rectifier circuit, what purpose means by giving a supply voltage, in that inductor circuit is used to reduce the harmonics. In the diode rectifier function is to convert the AC supply into DC supply. In that by parallelly connecting to the capacitor, it will reduce the some amount of harmonics. This is the MOSFET triggering circuit. By what this is the total harmonic destruction. By how we will can get the output means this is the scope will be connected to it will output. By clicking the scope we will get an output. This is the output. We will obtain a 110 volt because in that simulation result we will use a 3-phase cycloconverter circuit. This is the output voltage. In the total harmonic distance will goes to 0.0264 something like that. This is the another output voltage we will obtain. By clicking the scope we will obtain that another output voltage 110 volt. Next, this is the DC voltage. The output. This is the output 110 volt. By combining the 2 output voltages, okay.
In that output, in the DC output from the input signal, there is a lot of noise is there. So the peak can be formed by removing the noise. After that, it will increase the voltage up to 140 and then maintain the constant voltage from the inverter section. So this is a THD. This is a THD value. It can be up to the THD can be obtained up to 0.2459. so it can be running on that. And this is the first output value. This is the output voltage at a duty cycle of 50%, and which can be connected from this one and this one. And second voltage is 40% of duty cycle, which can be same as that of duty cycle of 50% without any harmonic distortion. So harmonic distortion should be reduced, but it's a negligible value. And next one is the logic design of gate pulse. The logic design of gate pulse is for Q1 and Q2. This is the logic design. For Q1 and Q2, this is the logic design. Because the Q1 has on means the Q2 should be off. So Q2 must be complement of Q1. So next one is the Q. So next is the Q3 and Q4. So in that Q4 must be on, Q3 off. So Q3 off means, so Q3 must be the complement of Q4. And another similarly the Q5 was off. So Q6 must be on. So Q5 must be a complement of Q6. And final one is the current. So current at 40% of duty cycle is, we obtain the current as a 12 amps. And TSD value can be obtained from the scope display.
In our applications of our project, Mr. Stalin is going to explain.
Applications of cycle converter is nothing but it is used for metal heating process, it is used for aircraft process, and it is also used for induction purposes. The main important thing of this project is used to maintain the frequency at 30 kilohertz. That's all. Thank you.